Hey there, this is a quick demo to show you how to upload files in Salesforce using a screen flow. All right, so here I am in Flow, and this is the only screen I'm using. You're probably going to have to collect some data, maybe send emails, create records, update, do different things. You could just use the file upload component if you wanted to, which is right here in the sidebar. That's this guy here. It will work if you just have a single screen with this component, and it will upload your files to the notes and attachments related list, which we'll look at in just a second. But we want to note what's on the file upload sidebar here. So your required fields are going to be API name and your label. You can put some variables in here like I did to collect this data and use it elsewhere if you need to. And then the record ID is the one you're going to want for sure. And then there's also some help text in here. And this is just a text variable I have created. And you can also specify what types of formats you're going to accept during an upload, or you can leave this blank. All right, so in my use case, I am uploading files. When an opportunity is closed won, I am sending an email and I'm creating a new project record. Okay, so I want to get the opportunity record with the ID equals the ID in my text variable. That's record ID. And here it is over on the sidebar, record ID with capital I. And we're going to set that for input because we want to pull the ID in. All right, and I'm not using a custom button, but that will also work to pull the ID into the flow. All right, and then you saw this screen already. I have a file upload component, and I'm just going to collect some data, project name here, and I'm setting a default value based on a formula I created just using some opportunity data, because I like to use defaults whenever possible. After the screen, we're going to send an email. So you can send an email to someone else letting them know that files were uploaded or that a record was created, but you can't at this stage put the file into that email action. And then finally, before the flow ends, I'm creating a project record with the data I collected, the project name, and some other data from the opportunity record. So let's go ahead and look at the page layout. So here I'm using the flow component. I've got it underneath the details, and I'm filtering it so that it only shows up when the opportunity is closed won. Okay, and then down here I've got the notes and attachments related list so that you can see where the files go. And then over here on the sidebar, make a note of this, because you'll want to pass the record ID into your text variable in the flow. So let's go and see how this works here. Go back to the front end and look at our opportunity record. All right, so we've got no flow component down here. I'm going to move this to closed won, save it. Our flow component pops up. Here's our default data, and I can upload files. You can do more than one here. I don't want that many. There we go. So I'll just do 2. Click done, click save, and just like that, the flow has ran. Here are both files that have been put into the notes and attachments related list. Email has been sent, and a project record has been created, all in a couple of seconds. You can view your files in here, and that's how it's done. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.